Creating the torso controls. First, we're going to start with creating a CV curve. And for this one, we're going to create a triangle shape. This will be great to give us a sense of direction. First, hold down X so we can snap to grid and then create your triangle shape. Center pivot. And then freeze transformations. I will now show you a little trick that might be useful. So if you want to create here a custom button from any tool up above, you can hold down Control Shift and then select the tool that you want. Let's go ahead and create together 3 custom shelf buttons. Let's go to Modify, Center Pivot. Remember, before clicking on it, you want to hold down Control and Shift. Now you would see that this item, custom button, it will be created. Let's repeat that for freeze transformations. And lastly, we'll do one more for deleting history. Go to Edit, Delete by Type, Control Shift, History. And you would see now my 3 shortcuts ready to go. Let's hide the character, grab our newly created control, and snap it to the backbone. For this, we're going to hold down W and drag. Bring back the character, press F8, move that point a little forward, something like that. Press F8, scale it up a bit. Let's change the color. For all the controls in the center, we're gonna select the color yellow. So Control A, enable overrides. Let's hide the character one more time. Grab your Control D to duplicate. Holding down V, let's move that up to the chest. And let's duplicate this one more time. Hold on V. And we want to set it down to the pelvis. We're also going to rotate on X 90 degrees. Scale this down slightly. Bring the character back. Press F8 when done. When you're finished, grab them all, freeze transformations. And now we're ready to rename them. This one, we're going to rename anim_back01. The top one, we're going to rename anim_chest01. And lastly, the one at the bottom, anim_pelvis01. Now we're ready to apply the constraints. Let's grab the chest control and select the chest joint, and then we're gonna go into constraint orient, and we're gonna make sure that we keep the maintain offset on, and then we'll click add. Let's repeat the same process with the back control. Select the back control, shift, select the back joint, hit the letter G to repeat the last function. Lastly, we'll repeat one more time for the pelvis and test it out. All right, let's go to the next lesson.